Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be learning a faster and smarter way to divide any number by 9. In this example, 537 divided by 9. Step 1. Copy the first digit from the dividend as it is. Step 2. Add it to the adjacent digit and continue the step with the other digits. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Step 3. Combine all except the last set of digits as shown to get partial quotient. Step 4. If last set of digit is greater than or equal to 9, divide it by 9 and get the balanced quotient and final remainder. So we got 15 divided by 9 is equal to 1, remainder 6. Step 5. Add the partial and balanced quotient to get the final quotient. And there you got the answer. 537 divided by 9 is equal to 59, remainder 6. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.